Do you remember my feelings journal from the last video? We made this customized book using thick paper because we love to use marker. Should we sell it? Okay, let's show you the fun stickers we've had. Well, in this video we'll show you how I decorate the cover using fun stickers. Wondering which sticker should we use? We chose bear, cactus, and flamingo set. Let's stick it. Bear, you'll go right here. And you are loved sticker, let's put it here. Yes, kids, you are really loved by God. Always remember that. And then, what else? The sun sticker. This is really fun, right? Let's put love in here and there. Then, little cloud, super cute bees. And don't forget the honey. 'Cause the bear love honey so much. Add some plants here for the bees and also lots of flower. Do you like flower? We love it. So let's put more flowers. Now we're giving this journal a title. We name it My Feelings Journal because in here we're gonna pour and learn to know our feelings. Sorry my writing isn't good, but hey, kids, I bet you can do this much better. Okay, let's try to make it look better using this bubble speech. And give accent using markers. Then fill the rest with more fun stickers. And it is done! Can't wait to see your journal! Thank you for watching this video.